Let's start by looking at the background of spouses Vargas v. Santa Lucia Realty. In this case, the Vargas spouses sought a compulsory right-of-way through Santa Lucia Realty subdivision. Their goal was to secure access to their property, which they claimed was landlocked. They brought their case all the way to the Supreme Court, hoping for a favorable ruling. However, the court's decision would hinge on a very specific legal standard. Understanding the facts of the case is crucial to grasping why the Supreme Court ultimately denied their petition. Now, let's explore what the court actually decided and the reasoning behind it. Supreme Court's decision in this case was clear and firm. The court denied the Vargas spouses' petition for a compulsory right-of-way. The justices emphasized that, under Philippine law, a right-of-way easement is not granted lightly. It requires strict proof of absolute necessity. In other words, the claimants must show that there is no other possible access to their property, not just that another route is inconvenient or less desirable. The court found that the Vargas spouses failed to meet this high standard. Their evidence did not conclusively prove that no alternative access existed. This ruling sets a strong precedent for future right-of-way cases. This case established a clear doctrine. No right-of-way easement can be granted without proof of absolute necessity. The Supreme Court clarified that mere convenience or personal preference is not enough. Claimants must exhaustively demonstrate that there is truly no other way to access their property. This doctrine serves as a reminder that legal rights, especially those affecting another's property, are not to be granted on flimsy grounds. The ruling reinforces the importance of thorough evidence and careful legal reasoning in property disputes. As a result, future claimants must be prepared to meet this strict requirement if they hope to succeed in similar cases.